Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So I'll be picking cards from 3 decks. Let's see what's coming up. Guys, I'll be taking 3 cards from this deck, guys. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you are happy wherever you are right now. This may be in your professional life or in your personal life, the relationship with this person. So you're happy right now in this situation. Maybe this is a twin flame soulmate connection, guys. You're happy and content with the person. Maybe you are having what to say, even some other people are approaching you, maybe, but you are content with the person with whomever you are right now. You are happy how things are taking place. Okay, uh, you you are using your skills today, guys, and you are feeling very confident today. That is also the energy here. And for some of you all, maybe in your professional life there are few offers coming, but you are not taking it up. You are happy with what you have, how things are going about, and you are not accepting any change. uh, so that is the energy I feel here, guys. So maybe for some of you all, you may move into the next step of your relationship, maybe accept the marriage proposal or get engaged. That may also be the energy here, guys. And for some of you all, you feel whatever it is, whatever choice you're making, things are going to be the same. So you have that kind of weariness in your heart, some kind of boredom. Okay, um, you see the happiness and the sadness in any choice you have made till now, and you are just what to say, um, content with whatever is right there with you now. So that is the energy here, guys. Let me pick out 3 more cards from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up. This may be what your person feels about you, or what you may feel about this connection, guys. These energies work vice versa, so this can be your person's energy, guys. Letter. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you are what to say, the same kind of energy, guys. You have accepted how things are. Okay, uh, about any choice, whatever you have made, there's something good and there is something bad. So you have accepted that choice of yours, and you are not moving out of your comfort zone. Okay, this may be regarding your work. I feel here, guys, you're not taking up anything new, but some important announcement is coming, guys. It may be from your person regarding this engagement or marriage proposal, or you may be um, uh, proposing, okay, signing some important contracts in your professional life, okay. So that may also be the energy here, and you share a very good bond with your person. There is a great attraction and intimacy and passion in this relationship, guys. So you're in this relationship for long term, so you're committed to this person. You may want to take this to the next level if you are not yet engaged, guys. So that is the energy here. So you are just waiting for things to unfold in its own pace, and you're waiting for the good things to happen, Scorpios. So that is the energy here, guys. And let me pick out one more card from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up. Be strong. Okay, Scorpios. So you need to be aware of your strength, your limitations, and at the same time, you should be able to courageous enough to stand sturdy, steadfast in your beliefs and your ideals. Okay, so whatever you believe, whatever you stand for, whatever views you have in your life, so you should be able to stand for it, okay. And you should be physically, emotionally and mentally strong to face any situation. So people can rely on you, people close to you, you can be the person they can rely on in any situation. That should be that is the energy here, guys. So when you find people in need of your help, you need to be compassionate enough to help them in any situation, support them, and pull them through their challenges, okay. And you should be strong enough the same way to overcome all the challenges you're facing. So this card gives the energy that you have to maintain your endurance, guys, for the things happening every day. You need to stay strong. You're waiting for something to unfold, okay. This may be the time you need to be very strong till your person comes to propose to you, or uh, maybe you want to propose to them, okay. But this is a very committed, responsible relationship. That is the energy I'm getting here, guys. So you are for most of you all, you are going to be you are going to get engaged or get married, Scorpios. That is the energy here I'm getting. Thanks, guys, for watching. That's all for today. Thank you, Scorpios. Bye.